Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be showing you how to edit your Minecraft server settings. Editing your server settings is super simple using Server.pro. There are a couple things you can do, such as editing configuration settings. There you can simply edit the version and loader, but you can also check out properties. There you can edit things such as the game mode by opening the drop down and selecting a new game mode. You can also edit the difficulty anytime you'd like. PvP can be enabled and disabled, you can set the max player amount, and the MOTD can be changed as well. On the right you can also adjust whether you'd like online mode enabled, command block settings, and much more. Once you've made all the changes, just ensure to save the files so they take effect. There are some settings that don't appear here that you might also want to adjust. For that you need to head to Files and then Server.properties. Here you can manually edit the values of each setting. For example, simulation distance can be changed to 5 instead of 10. If for some reason you don't want to spawn monsters, you can change the value to false, and you can enable a whitelist and many other features. As you can see, there are many adjustable settings. If you're ever stuck and can't find something, you can also use Ctrl F at the same time to pop up the Finder window. There you can just enter the setting you're looking for, and then it'll locate it for you. Again, ensure that after you've made any changes, you save the file and restart the server for them to take effect. Editing server settings is also very simple in Bedrock. You can edit configuration settings such as the version, but most of the settings are located in Files and then in Server.properties. There are many settings to adjust there, and all you have to do is enter the values you'd like. If you're not sure what some setting values should be changed to, you'll see the instructions in blue above each feature. In here you can edit game mode, disable or enable online mode, adjust allow list, you can set player idle timeout, and many more. Once you've made changes you'd like, you can save the file and restart the server for them to take effect. Thank you so much for watching. If you need anything else, please don't hesitate to contact our support. Bye guys!